Hey there, so I have just arrived at my parents' house. I am here to have lunch with my sister. She is going to teach me how to use the air fryer. So I am about to have a food first. I am going to make air fried avocados. So pretty excited about that and to have lunch with my sister. Let's go.
Fry an avocado in an air fryer, 101. You have your avocados, you cut them up. You have garbanzo beans. The juice is needed to dip the avocado into. The breadcrumbs, we're using gluten-free in this instance, but you can use any type of breadcrumb you want.
And that is the air fryer. Oh, continue.
Oh, so after you have breadcrumbs in here, you take your avocado, you dip it in the juice, you dip it in the breadcrumb, you open up the air fryer, you fill it. Once it's filled, we're gonna just close it back up, turn on the air fryer to 400 for 10 minutes, and poof, we're gonna have magical avocado fries.
Okay, so per what my sister said, I'm gonna do this. It's a food first for me. I've never used an air fryer before. So first thing first, she said cans, open cans. I already start opening this one. I have the ability to open a can. Okay, well, I was gonna do one at a time. All right, breadcrumbs. We are gluten-free in the family because my dad actually has celiac disease, so it's not there's no reason to be gluten-free unless you actually have celiac disease, which my father does. So gluten-free family we are. Okay, my sister was nice enough to cut these for me. Peel off. Ooh. Dip. Bread. So there's actually no oil. Well, this is healthy. Put it in here like this. Am I good? All right. Does it matter how thick? Like, what's your recommendation on how thick these should be?
I just make them bite-sized. If I can put them in my mouth, they're big enough.
This is spot. I want that. This is sort of a messy endeavor there. Where'd you get this recipe?
Online.
Online. Okay. And how it came about this is that I picked up Murray from the airport 2 days ago, and she wanted to stop to buy, she's gonna hate that I'm telling the story. She wanted to stop to buy an air fryer for my stepmom, Jocelyn. And we did stop. Thankfully the store did not have the air fryer that she was looking for, because when she got here, my stepmom reminded her that she had already bought her one. So she messaged me to tell me that she saved herself a return to the store because she would have needed to return the air fryer. Although I guess if I enjoyed these, this is something that I might have purchased for my kitchen. All right, oops, next step. I'm gonna go one more, I guess.
Yeah.
Boy. And hit, what am I hitting?
Turn
this
to 10.
to 10. Oh, there it goes.
There you go. And that's it. And it's set on
air frying.
400.
All right. All right, so our first batch is done. Let's check it out. Oh, nice. Nice. Ooh, nice and crispy. Sure, I don't use all the crisp. Do I empty the thing for putting another batch in?
No.
Doesn't really smell like much. Looks good though. Can't wait to taste it. All right, let's load up another batch. It's pretty quick. So what kind of other stuff, Mariah, have you done in here?
Bean burritos, pot stickers. Well, mine's bigger.
Okay.
Yeah. French fries.
French fries.
Anything.
You didn't mention making French fries.
Oops. Anything that goes in the oven, you can do in the air fryer, and it's a healthier option. Anything you deep fry, you can do in the air fryer as a healthier option.
Can I can't put on stock it. Can I of each other?
We'll find out.
Make some room. Okay. 10 minutes. All right, here we go again. All right, so we're back. Second batch is done. While it was cooking up, we made our dish that we're gonna eat it with. My sister will be having hers with rice, and I'm gonna have a salad with mine. I always eat avocado with tuna, so when she asked what I wanted to have them with, I could not disconnect tuna and avocado from each other. Now, while these were cooking, I also asked her some more questions about this bad boy. Oh, so yeah, nice and toasty. So what did I ask you? I asked you if you could put some sweet potatoes in there because I love sweet potatoes. She doesn't like sweet potatoes, so she didn't mention sweet potatoes because we would have had sweet potatoes in here. She said yes to the sweet potatoes. She said pretty much, what did you say? You can put anything in here, right? Anything that can go in the oven can go in here. Anything that can go in a fryer can go in here. Obviously, we used a healthier option, the vegetarian option with the bean juice, but you can use eggs to do you don't really need to though. Admittedly, I did taste these off camera. They're very yummy. So you don't, I'm gonna be buying one of these. This is very convenient. What else did we talk about that I'm forgetting? Oh, come on. I'll come up again. Why am I not putting these on our plates? Help me out. Do you want these all over or just on the rice?
In the white area.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna put mine. It's looking yummies. Nice and healthy lunch for us. I have chocolate chip cookies to eat afterwards, even though I'm not supposed to. All right, so that is my food first using an air fryer. And I think, like I said, I will definitely be getting one of these when I get to Vegas. Because that is a neat little thing. It was very easy, very convenient, and very fast. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. A big shout out and thank you again to my sister for doing this. It was also a first doing one of these videos with family, so that was pretty cool. If you enjoyed the channel, make sure that you subscribe. If you like the t-shirts, I will put the link down below on where you can go and get your very own t-shirts. The 365 First Challenge is awesome, so check out the website, go to the categories. Food First is one category, there's 30 other categories, and find things to do. I'll be making lots more videos, so again, subscribe. Thank you. Go for it.
Oh. How to fry avocados in an air fryer 101. We have chickpeas. Cut. Fry an avocado in an air fryer. We're going to start with chickpea. And we're going to take the juice.
Oh no, you're teaching me. So you're only doing the thing. I still have to do it. Shh.